If you know these lines, then you know what I'm going to say. Anyways, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD CAD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar, and you can see I am in the 4 hours time frame. If we just look at the chart, then we can easily see that market is in downtrend. There is no doubt about it. And as we all know, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or range bound market. And this kind of in this kind of market, the strategy is always simple. It's always sell on rise. So whenever market will be going up, we just need to short the market. Okay. In this case, 50 moving average was acting as a resistance. Whenever market was going up, it was getting resistance from the 50 MA, and we also made good money. Okay. But the things have changed right now. Okay. And if you watch my previous video on USD CAD, then you know it pretty well what I'm going to talk about. Okay. Because see, when market was trading in this range, I told you that things are about to change right now. And if you look at the chart, then you can see that the market is no more a sell on rise market. Rather, market has started trading in a range right now. Market is in a tight range. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? Before jumping to the strategy, I would like to show you the same thing that I have shown in my other videos on USD CAD. Okay, the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart, and in the weekly chart we can see that there was a support here. Okay, there was a support available at this price level, and I have already mentioned that this support level is very old. This support level belongs to the year 2017, and this support level is still a valid support because see, in the year 2016, in the year 2016, when market was going up, market was very much bullish. It was going up. Market suddenly faced selling pressure. There was a sell-off and market started falling. And market made a high. And after 2016, market could not go to the previous high. And it in the year 2020, market was going up again. Market reached this particular price level. Okay, market somehow managed to go to the price level, but this resistance was a still valid one. The resistance from the year 2016 was valid, and as a result market faced severe selling pressure and market started falling. And we can see that after this fall, market is still in downtrend. Okay, therefore the resistance from 2016 is still valid. Therefore the support from my point was there. If the resistance from 2016 is still valid, then the support from 2017 should be a valid one. And right now we can see that yes, market is struggling. Market is not falling. Rather, bulls are trying to take the price upward. There is a constant battle between the bulls and the bears. Okay. So this is the overall scenario. Let's switch to the 4 hours time frame then. Okay. So this is the overall support level. Okay, this is the overall support level, and right now we can see that market is at the support level, and market is in a very narrow range. Okay, so your strategy is simple. You need to wait now. Okay, you'll have to wait for the market to give you a proper direction, because this is because though market isn't a sideways or a range, but there is not much volatility. Because see, as there is not much volatility, so there is no point of going for any buying or selling order. Rather, I'll mark this whole level as your no trading zone. Okay, this is your no trading zone. And do remember one thing: you do not need to trade until and unless market is in this range. Just keep in mind, as long as market is trading in between this range, okay, 1.20179 on the downside and 1.2208 on the upside. As long as market is trading in between this range, you do not need to trade. This is your no trading zone. If in the coming week, if you see that market has crossed this resistance, okay, cross this line, then you just observe the price and you just see how the price is doing. If you see that price has somehow crossed this level, and price is not struggling anymore, rather bulls are present in the market, bulls are with full pressure, they are trying their best to take the price upward, then you can go for the buy order at this level. Okay, then you can go for buy order at this level. On the other hand, if market fails to trade in this level and market crosses this level, 1.2017 level, if market crosses this level, and then also you just need to observe the price, try to read the chart, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that market has crossed this level, this support level with good amount of volume, then you can short the market. But remember, you need to wait for at least 4 to 6 hours, because say this chart or this level is extremely important, therefore confirmation is also important, and confirmation does not come easily. So wait for 4 to 6 hours, observe the price. If you see that after for waiting for 4 to 6 hours, market has uh, crossed the level and heavy selling pressure is there, then you can short the market below this level. Okay, below this level, 1.2017 level. Okay, and your stop loss will be above this level, easy stop loss. On the other hand, if you go for buying order, also wait for 4 to 6 hours, at least if possible wait for 8 hours, 2 candles. Because see, this level is extremely crucial, therefore you need to wait, you need to observe the price. Patience is the key, do not forget, patience is the key. Okay, then only you should go for buying orders, and your stop loss will be below this line. That's it. Okay, so this is the strategy, not strategy actually, yeah, strategy only, I'll say. Strategy that you need to follow for US dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's wait and watch how the price reacts on Monday.